Hello dear friend, there are several new features in DaVinci Resolve 20.2 update. But one feature which I like most is ripple delete silence. I think these features may be also useful to you. This feature is game changing dear friends. Once you know how to use it properly, it will save a lots of time. I have listened a lots of video on YouTube, but they are not actually properly telling how to use all the parameter settings of these features. This is very small feature but very important game changing feature, time saving feature for video editing. In today's tutorial now we will see all the basic parameters, how to use it properly and save your hours time dear friend. For example, I have 1 hour video tutorial video. I have to remove the silence part of the video. It will take 3 to 4 hours. But here you can remove most of silence parts very fast and very accurately. So let's see how to use this in today's video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivation to make more creative tutorial for you. Maybe this tutorial will be very useful to your friend. Please consider me, favor me and help me to spread this video to the wider audiences so that this video can be useful to them too. Without wasting time, let's jump into our PC inside DaVinci Resolve and explore how to use ripple delete silence here. Ripple delete silence. It means now we can delete all gaps. You can see I have a video, very long tutorial video about DaVinci Resolve. I have so many gaps here, and if I want to delete all gaps, it will take me minimum 2 hours because the length of this video is around 40 minutes. So you can see so many gaps. Now let's see how we can use this feature for our daily productivity. You have to first select the clip. Just click here, left click on your mouse. Now the clip is selected and come to clip here. You see here come to clip. In clip, just come here, audio here. You see audio operation. In audio operation we have ripple delete silence. This is our new feature here. Just click here and now you can see all the gaps between sentences have appeared here. You see here, you can see here, and this is the setting actually. Now let's see how this setting works. First I maximize our timeline. Now you can see here we have a very big gap here. If you want to put some gaps between sentences, sometimes you have no gaps, then sentence is not so beautiful, so you can leave some gaps between sentences here. This is a threshold. So if you click threshold here, minus 25.0 dB, and we can do here some things. You can see 24 dB. You see I am decreasing gap here little bit. See 21 dB. You see here. In this way you can decrease. Here you can put perihead. Perihead means before this here, before the gap, you can make some gap before removing it at all. You see here. And we can put here, you see here a little bit. Okay, in this way you can do here. Okay, here this is the post here after gap here. For example, this here, if you want to make some gaps before removing the big gap here, so come here, you can see, just we click here, post there here, just here you see I am removing this post tail here. You see this is the pre tail here. You see pre-tail I am removing here. You see I am removing before pre-tail, and here post-tail I will just come here and remove. You see here a post-tail. In this way you can make this gap a little bit smaller so that you can't lose some of very important words here between two sentences. You have to define according to you. I put on default because default is also best. A minimum 2 strips you can make a strip here. You see here minimum 2 strip 3 frames you can put here frame. Okay, here. And if you want to add crossfade audio, in audio it will add crossfade transition. Actually don't need crossfade because it's a very long tutorial video, so I will leave it on default. Everything is okay. We just remove gap. We'll just click here. You can see remove gap. No, you can see so easily I have removed gap here. No, I have no gap. I don't need to manually trim the video, cut the silent parts of video. It's so good. No, in the same way we come here, I have this video here. Just you can see here I have gap here. We just come here. Once you have to select here with the left portion of your mouse, just click here, come to clip operation here. In audio operation, ripple delete silence. Okay, I will put everything on default here. You can see this silence. I have the here silence part. We can make it some. You can see I want to edit this, delete this part here. You see here I have more silence, so I can adjust here. We just come here to, you see here we check this pre-tail. This is the pre-tail head here. You see here. Okay, it's okay. No, I want to remove this gap. Okay, I want to remove all this. You see all, and once okay, just click remove. Now you can see so fast I have deleted the gaps between sentences here. So in this way you can use this ripple delete silence. Is very useful feature. Try on your clip. It will save you lots of time. Explore all these new features. Try on your clip. Write me in the comment box which features you like most, which feature is very useful to you. Don't forget to write and share this channel to those friends who are actually in the need of such type of tutorial. This tutorial will be very useful to them, dear friend. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. We meet in the next tutorial of DaVinci Resolve on this channel, dear friend. Take care. Bye.